Hello friends, today we shall discuss a new chapter, that is basic geometrical ideas. First of all, we'll learn something about basic geometrical ideas, right? Now the first one is reply basic. We'll discuss today basic geometrical ideas. What is that? Geometry has a long and rich history. The term geometry is the English equivalent of the Greek word geometron. Geo means earth and metron means measurement, right? According to historians, the geometrical ideas shaped up in ancient times probably due to the need in art, architecture and measurement. Okay, next we will define a location or define the term points. What is point? By sharp tip of the pencil mark a dot on the paper. Sharper the tip, thinner will be the dot. This almost invisible tiny dot will give you an idea of a point. What is that? A point determines a location. You see, the tip of a compass is the location. The sharpened end of a pencil, the pointed end of a needle. These are some models for a point. Right here, we can represent here as point A, point B, point C. These points will be read as point A, point B and point C. Of course, the dots have to be invisibly thin. That is important for us, right? A star in the sky also gives us an idea of a point, right? Now, line segment. What is a line segment? The definition of line segment is here. If I will find the definition of line segment, the shortest join of point A to B, including A and B shown here, is a line segment. It is denoted by AB or BA. The points A and B are called the endpoints of the segment. Now, what is line? We will define the definition of line. You see here, line, two points are enough to fix a line. We say two points determine a line. The adjacent diagram, figure 4.3, is that of a line PQ written as PQ and arrow on both sides. Sometimes a line is denoted by a letter like L and M, right? Next one, you will define intersecting lines, right? Look at the diagram, figure 4.4. Two lines L1 and L2 are shown. Both the lines pass through point P. We say L1 and L2 intersect at P. If two lines have one common point, they are called intersecting lines, right? The following are some models of a pair of intersecting lines. You see, these are all intersecting lines, right? Next one is parallel lines. What are parallel lines? Here you see parallel lines like this. Here you see, these are the examples of parallel lines. Now, what is these are parallel lines. Parallel lines means the distance between the two lines is always same. That is parallel lines, right? Here you see the distance between two lines is always same. That is parallel lines, right? And parallel lines never intersect one another, right? Next one is we'll discuss about about now a brief. We say that this is parallel lines. Are these lines intersecting line segments? No. Parallel lines are never intersect each other. These are parallel lines. Next, in the new video, we will deal with the exercises. Then, this is parallel lines. Then we can say ray. What is ray? A ray is a portion of a line. It starts at one point called starting point and goes endlessly in a direction. That is a ray, right? Here you see, here A, this is P, right? A ray is a portion of a line. It starts at one point, that is starting at A, and goes endlessly in a direction, right? That is a ray. Next one is, next we will do exercise 4.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share.